Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be going all over the two deals, all the deals that they have for before the spring sale. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals. Yeah, it seems like Home Depot's prepare themselves for spring. As you guys could see, they have a lot of soap and supplies. Towels, paper towels, all the household items. Looks like a Costco now. Starting here, we got $129 for that mechanic set, $59.97 for that one. It's a 119 piece. Then $9.98 for the blade and the extra blades. $5.88 for that tote. It's a Husky tote or a bag. $29.88 for the light. And then you got some more blades over here, $7.88. Then you got some Milwaukee's. So right now we don't have a lot of good deals on power tools. I mean, there's a few deals here and there, but when the spring gets here, pretty much you're gonna start seeing more deals. Like for garden and stuff like that. So mostly like for OB days and stuff like that. So you're gonna start seeing that before the spring. So those are some Diablo blades. That's a pack of 5. $18.97. Then you got a pack of 14. Got some Milwaukee gloves. They still have some left over from the Christmas sales, on this store, and they didn't have any price, so I didn't check the price. I know I was gonna come back and check the price, but I didn't. I forgot about it. Just walked out. $7.97, and then you got some Ryobi. That's a big nailer right there. Didn't know they were so big. Got some Milwaukee. $19.97. Got a nice kit with the saw, impact driver, and a drill. $3.99. 2 batteries. It's a nice little kit. Got $99 for any of those two. And then I guess if you buy one of those kits, you get 2 free batteries. So not a bad deal. Those are the free batteries that you get. And those are the single tool kits. $169, $39.97 for the sockets. $169, $179. That's a big tool kit there. It's a 5-piece combo rigid. That's $79. That's a brushless. And then you got these buy one tool and get these free batteries. $99 value. Yeah, I've heard of some guys actually buying some flashlights for like $60 and getting those batteries for free. So I couldn't tell you if you could do that or not, but some guys at the Facebook post, they were just posting that, and I guess they got it for $60. Now you got some more tools here. Do you want the screw gun? Some more Milwaukee. $179, and then you get a free battery. You should buy that kit. That's the free battery there. $24.97. $269, $349, and then again you get another free battery with that. It's a 5 amp hour battery with any of those kits, which is not a bad deal. Makita, you got some rigid. This is the rigid section. Yeah, like I always say on my previous videos, if you're gonna buy any of these tools, make sure you buy them in a combo or a kit or a sale, because if you buy the bare tool by itself, you're gonna end up spending a lot more money. And that's with any of these brands. Those are all the bits. They got them separated by section, like brand. That's the angle bit adapter. That's the DeWalt version of it. Got some the Milwaukee section. Some more bits. $24.97, $44.97. And then $99 for the top one. So might as well get the $44.97. You're getting 23 pieces. And with the one that's $99, you're getting 29 pieces. So, and they are metal shockwave. Then you got some Makita. Got some more bits. Some Diablo. Some Daredevils. I gotta say, these Daredevils are pretty good. I have a few of them, and they have, they lasted a long time. Done a lot of projects with them. That's the Diablos. That's the DeWalt section. Yeah, I was looking at this thing. This thing's huge. Yeah, it's a really nice tool. It's the Flex Volt 60 volt. It's a 1/2 inch stud and joist drill. Yeah, it's a big machine there. And then you got some more bits there. Some more DeWalt. And some more cutoff wheels. Like for tile and brick. Yeah, when I remember when I was removing my tile, I wish I wouldn't, been here. I know that some Home Depots have a bit wider spade you can get. Not all Home Depots have it though. And then they just left that one there. That's the clearance section, by the way. $9.60. So if you guys need a light, go pick up one up. A solar powered end post. It's a little cap there. Door hanger on the right. You got some more items here, just random. It's a 9 amp hour battery, $90. If you guys haven't watched my video, but I did like a few months back, they were on sale where you can get that for $79. You get the 9 amp hour battery, you get 2 3 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag for like $79. That was like a smoking deal there. Not a lot of people were returning the batteries, the regular batteries, not the 9 amp hour battery. And they were getting the battery for like $40. That's what a lot of people did. That's the kit that was on the other section there. That's $19.97. Some Diablo blades. Like I said, not a lot of deals here. Or lower cost. Most of these items are just like regular price or higher. If you guys but it doesn't. Every time you go to Home Depot, make sure you take a quick look at the clearance section. They might have something that's really worth buying. And also, if you can download the app and look at any of these items on the app, sometimes they mislabeled them, or they lower the price, but they forget to relabel them. So you make sure you download the app and click on the barcode on the item. Then you got some exhaust fans there. Like I said, not a whole ton of deals here. Then you got the pressure washers. That's like all the accessories for the pressure washers. I gotta say, that's the pressure washer that I have. I'm very happy with my Ryobi pressure washer. So it's the most inexpensive one that they have here, and it does work. I wash my vehicles all the time. That's Toro. And what I like about what they did is they actually separated. If you guys see, they separated all the sections by brands. So in one section they have all the Echo weed eaters, they have all the gas ones, they have all the electric ones. Like here they got the home lights and the Toros. And they got the Milwaukee section, Makita section. And that's a really nice thing. They don't have really a lot of sales, because I know that spring sales coming up, but just like what they have it, how they have it separate now by brands. That's a really nice thing, because all you gotta do is just go over to the brand. If you're looking for a tool, that brand, just go to that section, and you're gonna find that tool instead of going all over the section trying to find the tool that you want or the brand that you want. So either you find the tool section, the brand, and then just find the tool. If they don't have it, okay, then just go to the next one. But yeah, it's a lot easier the way they have it now. That's the new mowers that they have. It's $249 for that one. Those don't have a bag. Those do have a bag. Those are the higher end Ryobi. Then Toro has an electric one. If you guys haven't seen that before. But yeah. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a quick video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.